sunflower.
Hi, it's Doug again, another home tour. Today we're in Vancouver at the corner of Park and Oak. We're looking at a brand new townhouse across the street. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's 1,702 square feet and it's listed at $1,728,900. The listing agent is Vincent Louis with Domicile Realty, so I'd like to thank him for giving us the opportunity to go through the listing. If you like these tours, please like and subscribe. Vincent's information is in the description below, and let's go inside and take a look. Well, here we are at the Oak. Now, as I said earlier, this is a new complex. There's 4 units still left for sale. Today, we're going to look at a 3-bedroom den, which is 1,804 square feet, listed at $1,899,900. There's the other units I'll place up at the end under the description. You can see their prices, and again, you can talk to the listing agent, Vincent Louis, about the building and the complex, and contact him from the information below. Well, here I am in the den. This home has a den right off the front door, so if you have a home office and you have people coming over, that's a perfect place for it. This is an open floor plan. All the units are open floor plan. So you can see from front to back. You got the kitchen in the middle. You got a living room space right here. Obviously, this is where your TV could go, but if you're not having a TV up there, you can definitely put a picture. You got wonderful views to the park across the street, which is awesome. And then you come right into your kitchen. Your kitchen has quartz countertops with a waterfall edge, a deep Kohler mounted stainless steel sink and Kohler fixtures. There's a built-in fridge and freezer right here, built into the cabinets. It's all Bosch appliances. You have your Bosch vent up top, your Bosch cooktop gas, and a Bosch oven. You also have a Bosch dishwasher over on this side of the island, and then you have a microwave down here and lots of counter space, a nice quartz slab in the back, European style cabinets with soft close. It's a perfect place to have a party and have your friends over, and everyone can see what's going on. Great location. So right off the kitchen is your dining space, so you can have a nice dining room table here. You have access out to a patio here. You can have your barbecue. This also goes to the playground that's in the back for children. You have a powder room right here, access to downstairs, and we'll see that a little later because your parking is included and is connected to the unit. So we'll take a look at that. But for now, let's head upstairs and see the bedrooms. Here we are on the second floor, the bedroom level. There are 2 bedrooms up here and a family bathroom. Right here, there is storage up here, but this could also be used as a little homework nook or a little office or a desk system for your kids. You have a nice sized bedroom here that faces south. Your family bathroom is here with a quartz countertop, floating vanity, Kohler fixtures, a deep soaker tub, and tile surround. You have your laundry on this level as well, a Whirlpool stacker. Here we are in the second bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. It has a stand-up shower, the vanity, and the ceramic surround. There's a walk-in closet here, huge walk-in closet, and actually has a window. And you can see right out here the beautiful view facing Oak Park. All right, we're on the top floor now. This is the primary bedroom. And as you see, the primary bedroom has this beautiful balcony that's tiled, French doors facing south. And over here, we have a walk-in closet, plenty of room to put a lot of stuff in. And then you have your ensuite bathroom. And the ensuite bathroom has porcelain tile surrounds, marble countertops, Kohler fixtures, and a frameless shower stall. Well, that's the bedrooms upstairs. So again, you have 3 bedrooms, the primary on the top floor and 2 on the second level with a family bathroom. I wanted to point out too, they have these beautiful laminate floors throughout, even on the upper floors, which makes this home feel so much larger. So we'll go downstairs again, and I'm gonna show you what I said I would show you is something special, storage and a parking space. All right, and now down on the bottom level, there's extra storage right here that you have, plus there's a storeroom here that you can use as a theater, media room, family room, whatever you'd like. So your parking stall is right next to your unit, and all the parking stalls are wired for EV in the future. So if you have an electric car, you can set it up right there. It's perfect. All right, we're gonna end our tour here today. I just have a few honorable mentions that this is a new project. So it comes with a 10-year home warranty. It has rough-in for EV parking, rough-in for security system, natural gas for the patios for a barbecue. You're only 15 minutes away from downtown Vancouver, 5 minutes across the Oak Street Bridge to Richmond. It's a perfect location. I'd like to take this moment to thank Vincent Louis of Domicile Realty for giving me the opportunity to come through here today and look at the property. Now, the property, there are 4 available for sale here, starting at $1,000 a square foot. So call Vincent if you want more information. And again, if you like these tours, please like and subscribe and hit that button, that notification button, and I'll see you on the next tour. 'Cause I found my